Hi everyone, how are you going? Hope everyone's having a good day. Oh, thanks, yeah, I might need that. I'm Tom Kasker, co-founder and CEO of Aerologix. Before we get into it, I want to explain what aerial intelligence is. So aerial intelligence is basically images captured from aircraft or satellite, or in our case, drones. So the images from these machines can be extremely useful to derive insights for the natural and built environments. So what's Aerologix? We're a platform, we're democratising the collection of aerial intelligence via an Uber-like network of drone pilots. We don't own any drones, or we don't have any overheads associated with running a drone company. We've built apps, iOS and Android, and some deep tech which integrates with the Civil Aviation Safety Authority Digital Sky Network. It's a B2B play, B2B SaaS, B2C and DaaS, which is drones as a service, and also software as a service. We've built a network of over 33,000 drone pilots over the last 3 years throughout Australia and New Zealand. Drone pilots can download our app on the App Store or Google Play and can sign up for free. So what problem are we solving? There's millions of asset owners around the world who need a solution to inspect their asset portfolio in an attempt to reach net zero by 2030 for maintenance purposes, upgrades and optimisation. Satellites can't provide the granular information they need, and they can't provide enough detail, nor can aircraft. And it's very cost prohibitive to try and set up an enormous drone operation. So think of a company like PG&E Holdings who have millions of kilometres of transmission wires that need inspecting. How can you do this? So our solution was to set up an Uber for drone network. Like I mentioned, we've captured over 33,000 drone pilots from novice to advanced. So we cater for all sorts of different drone pilots who can sign up on our platform and become an available resource. This is how it works. You can log into the platform, order direct, or you can order on our web app. The pilots are geolocated, ideally near the assets, and then they're dispatched for the project. The data is then presented back to the customer in a purpose-built portal. We've also been building some deep tech using artificial intelligence and machine learning to fully understand what the data is. So we produce complex 3D models of mine sites, telecommunication towers, and all sorts of other assets. So you can think of it like a Google Earth on steroids. We've got some pretty good customers. Our launch customer was Nokia. They came to us with a problem statement. They had 1,000 assets. They needed to do the 5G upgrade all over Australia. We used a distribution network of drone pilots to 3D model the telecommunication towers. And we also built some other technology which interacts with the drone, which will auto-fly the drone around these assets. So the drone pilot doesn't really even have to do much. They just need to download our app. We've been working in the mining sector as well with Downer and Rio Tinto and some others. We just did a large project with Iberdrola where we scanned 25,000 hectares for the development of the Mount James wind farm. Some of our drone pilots are earning some pretty good money on our network. Our star pilot, or our maverick pilot, earned $450,000, which is pretty good for a part-time gig. So how do we make money? We take a 60% cut from the enterprise projects, so working with the Nokias, the TPGs, the Telstras, and on our platform orders, so direct peer-to-peer from customer straight to the drone pilot, where we zero touch for us, we take 30%. We recently acquired a mapping company out of South America called Mapper, and we've rebranded it to Aerologix Maps, so we can then offer that to the drone pilots as a further SaaS model. We've built Aerologix Flyer, which is another app using deep tech and AI, which can auto-fly the drone. And we've also got alternate revenue streams with partner programs, drone insurance companies, drone hardware, drone training, and we've signed a major contract with Getty Images. We also do data processing and visualization, and then on-sell that information to consumers. The revenue and forecast, we're starting to see some traction in the various revenue streams. We have 5 independent revenue streams, and what we've discovered, they all sort of work together. So the more enterprise projects we get, we're matching supply and demand across the network. And we're also seeing a rapid uptake with our new mapping product as well. We've launched that globally. So where to next for Aerologix? Well, we want to monetize the geospatial data we already have. So you can imagine with the thousands of flights that we're doing, we're capturing a lot of information. We want to use artificial intelligence, machine learning to fully understand that. We're in talks with multiple data companies to further monetize that. We're building independently our own AI, which will become another revenue stream. And of course, we want to scale globally. So we have two large principal investors. We've got Elliston Capital and Nightingale Partners. Collectively, between them, we've raised $7 million. And they're doing follow-on investment in this round. I'm looking to raise $4 million, which will get us to profitability for a really large Series A. There's my contact details. I'd love to see you at booth 29. Thank you.